5 million coins of Terra Classic can give you over $43,415 if Terra Classic deletes 20, and it could return about $4,300 if Terra Classic deletes just 10. Now, I know you must have been hearing of Terra Classic will reach 1 cent. That is the target for so many Terra Classic community. Now, at that price, 5 million coins will be worth about $84,000. Okay. Now, at the time of recording the Terra Classic, you need $434 in order to buy 5 million coins. Now, imagine investing such amount and this coin later delete just 10. I mean, 10, just 10. You will be making about $4,300. That is with a profit of about $3,850 or $3,900. Now imagine 20 is being deleted from Terra Classic price. We are talking about over $43,000 with a massive profits of $40,000 dropping. $40,000 definitely is a lot of money. $40,000 is a lot of gain. $40,000 is a lot of profit just for Terra Classic to delete 2 zeros. So that is it. And I believe that if assume this coin keep pumping, maybe in the next few years we see Terra Classic rising and pumping towards 1 cent, of course that amount will be valued at $84,000. But the truth is, you don't need 5 million coins. You just need what you can afford. Okay, be it 100,000 coins, be it 10,000 coins, be it 1 million coins, be it 1,000 coins, just whatever you know you can afford. That is what you should go for. Don't go for coins. Don't buy coins because someone is buying huge. Don't buy coins because other people are investing huge. Buy what you know you can afford at that moment. And research. You need to do a proper research. Research very well about the coin, research about the project, research about people that are invested or people that are interested in such coin before you can go ahead to buy and purchase such coin. Well, thank you once again for stopping by. God bless you.